how to make a Google account on an Android device. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys, so let's get started right away. Now, as you probably can tell, I am not on an Android phone, I'm on an iPhone right now, but the process is actually exactly the same. Now, all you just want to do is just download Gmail, and once you've downloaded Gmail, you can just if you just open it up for the first time, you should probably just see sign up or create an account. If you've already downloaded Gmail and you have multiple accounts, in order to create another one, you just want to click on the top right corner, then click on add another account, select Google, click on continue, and then instead of logging in, you can just click on create account right here. So choose for myself or to manage my business, and just fill in a first name, just like that. Then click next. Choose your birthday. So let's say 20, then April 2000. Then your gender. Just gonna select male, and then click on next. And right here you can create your own email address, or like you can see right here, you have like email address you can choose from. So I'm just going to select the top one, just like that. Click on next, create a password, and that's how you can create a Gmail account on your Android device. So I'm not going to do it though, because I don't really need more Gmail accounts than I already have, or Google accounts. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.